How are you doing, my friends? Today is the second day of the 21st Beijing International Fire Equipment Exhibition. It's the largest exhibition in this industry. As a leader brand manufacturer for prototype cases, we've got lots of branded customers from DuPont, Hex, Security, how much, and more. Also, we've got many on-site signing with the customers from USA, UK, Australia, France, Germany, India, Brazil, and more. Now let's have a look at our applications cases. Now welcome to contact us for best protective cases for your precious equipment. Thank you.